A cautious rescue cat meets a patient caretaker who designs a 3-week gentleness plan focused on space, scent, and gentle play. Each day begins with a predictable routine, measured meals, and enrichment that invites exploration without pressure. A soft clicker and a treasured blanket become trusted cues, marking safe moments before tiny victories spark curiosity. Weeks later, the cat slips from hiding to sunlit windows, and the caregiver documents progress while learning the cat's unique whisker signals. The key is tailoring the plan, remaining patient, and celebrating small wins that build trust and lasting happiness.